Shailaja, tell me a bit. Shocker. Last time வந்து CSK versus Rajasthan நம்ம believe பண்ணோம் and this is us. எப்படியோ close-ஆ, comfortable-ஆ, we will get through. This was a shocker. What went wrong? What went wrong? What all went wrong?
A lot of things went wrong. In fact, வந்து ஒரு flight runwayலயே இருந்து take off ஆகாத மாதிரி ஒரு scenario தான் we were seeing in the last game. I think the last over of Rabada was terrifying.
அது வந்து it's not just the runs. I think the morale factor was killed there, completely killed.
Correct. So அங்க there was a lot of things that that went wrong, and with respect to batting, I think we didn't take off. That's what I meant. So initially there was a sort of a partnership, but that didn't grow up to make it big for what was required in that game. So I think adu taandiyum nobody was able to develop a partnership, and like everybody is speaking, I think even I expected Dhoni to come up the order and rise up to the occasion, which he's always done, but that was pretty unfortunate, or I have no idea why he didn't, but then I was pretty much looking forward to it. So one good thing was Faf's innings.
That was fantastic. Actually நீங்க பாக்கும்போது look at this as an innings. நம்ம வந்து 200, we scored 200. அது வந்து ஒரு fantastic innings. Correct. But when you had to chase that and the way the last few overs turned, I think அது வந்து ரொம்ப disappointing இருந்தது. Today we'll talk facts, Shailaja. It might hurt a few people, and today let's talk openly. What was Dhoni thinking வந்து யாருக்குமே புரியல when the question was asked to Dhoni as to why did you come solo? அவரோட ஒரே ஒரு பதில் வந்து I needed time. I wanted to give chance to the others to come because I was not having enough practice. So idella paakumbodhu the speed that he was initially, besides the last 3 balls, adu thavara vandu, do you think people are angry? Does he know what he's doing? Illana vandu, is there too much of pressure on him as an individual? Because he handles the pressure okay, and the pressure vandu too much irukka. What do you think?
See, honestly, it was a very disappointing game, to say the least. And Dhoni portha varaikum what he's told neenga sonna madri, that is not the kind of Dhoni that we've known. So he always rises up to the occasion more. He exceeds the expectations. And madri or player vandittu he's saying something like this, I don't know what's going on in his mind. Also ellarume they've come after a long break. So I think and in the last few balls that he played on the or hat-trick six ella adichadala vandu, we were able to see the old Dhoni. So I think he has to believe in himself and or kind of thought enak vandadu after what he's told. So I think that he has in himself. And probably if he had come a little bit earlier ahead of couple of other batsmen, they would have gone to win the match, because at the end Faf and Dhoni did really build up a partnership.
See, Shailaja, I'm a big fan of MS Dhoni, whether on field, off field. I'm a very, very big fan of the way he conducts himself. Ana silla kelvi vandu kandipa kekano. Now, is this a Dhoni who's fighting for his image? Like, I want to prove to you that I can score. Now on the pariya Dhoni da iruken, I am still worth the Indian cricket team, though I don't want to be there. Is it that personal mission of Dhoni? Elena, I'm doing it for team CSK. Are we somewhere confused as to the identity that Dhoni is on the field today?
Definitely not. He is not the person who wants to seal his image. For him, cricket comes before anything else. Correct. So adu vandu over the years we have seen, and that's why he is such a great cricketer as it is. So I think he wouldn't think of sealing his place, or I know I am the same Dhoni. I don't think he would even have slightest of thoughts in that perspective.
Then can you explain 7 runs in 11 balls at the asking rate of almost 23 runs an over? Adukku enna or reason irkalam? When the ball is coming intentionally, it is just padded away for a single. Adukku enna or reason irkalam?
See, initially if you generally if you see Dhoni's innings, he
starts off slowly.
He takes a few balls to settle, and then he gets unstoppable. So that is Dhoni.
He was unstoppable, but the game stopped.
Correct.
20 overs
because he came way too late.
Yeah. Seri, look, obviously இது வந்து ஒரு initial rounds இருக்கு. We know what's working, we know what's not working. What is working for CSK? I think the batting is working to a fair extent. Watson irundalo, Raidu irundalo, whether it's Faf, Duplessis, these guys are working very well. What do you think is working? நீங்க என்ன feel பண்றீங்க is not working? I think the bowling department is somewhere lost.
I think last game also the last few overs தான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் they didn't do really well. ஒரு மாதிரி ரொம்ப unexpected ஆன ஓவர் வந்துருச்சு ரபாடா கிட்ட இருந்து. So otherwise I think they have a good mix of bowlers and they also have a good variety in them. So they are doing a good job. But batting பார்த்தா வந்து even last game Murali Vijay didn't come with a big knock or Shane Watson, both of them. So they are opening any one of them at least should go ahead and score a big one, big knock. So அது வந்து ரெண்டு பேர்கிட்டயுமே இந்த ரெண்டு கேம்ஸ்லயும் பார்க்கல and they didn't end up building up a very good partnership as well. So these two things are very very important. In a T20 game the format is very very short. So in matter of 1 or 2 overs things can change.
2 quick wickets, one fast innings, things can change.
So I think it's very important that they make use of the power play and maximize their run scoring.
So normally வந்து நம்ம சொல்லிட்டே இருப்போம் that CSK is all about Dhoni. Today's match வந்து it really all eyes are on Dhoni. அவரோட ஒவ்வொரு மூவ் எங்கே வராங்க, how fast is he going to come, how up the order, அவரோட tactics, everything is going to be watched. It's very difficult, but as fans, as lovers, as hardcore Dhoni fans, we're going to be watching all this. Do you think there's going to be a change in tactics, whether batting up the order irundalo, on field or the tactics irundalo, is there going to be something, because he's someone who surprises, he opens with a spinner. And the ideas one that this is the man who started all of this. So do you think he'll pull one of the rabbits out of the hat? Abinu solvanga thane rabbit out of the hat.
Yes, definitely tactical changes irukku, strategical changes irukku, because they are playing a different team. So avangaloda strengths and weaknesses base panni da CSK will have their planning for this game going, because each match is a fresh game.
Correct.
So they will go with whatever options it works. Also Fleming said in a article in an interview that many of the players in their bench have not played for about 1 year. So there are so many things that's acting upon this. So I think there are many crucial decisions to make, and always நம்ம வந்து expect the unexpected னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, அதுதான் நம்ம வந்து MS தோனி கிட்ட பார்த்திருக்கோம். நம்ம நினைக்கவே மாட்டோம், அது வந்து he does it so beautifully and he succeeds also. So I think matter of one bad game should not be too hard on him.
I think things should change. Ana வந்து my show producer Nitin was telling me, Macha, today is a very interesting game. It's a bunch of talented youngsters, which is the Delhi Capitals versus a team of talented but experienced people. In the combination வந்து is already very interesting. அது தவிர வந்து the last match Chennai will be filled with some doubt. கண்டிப்பா ஒரு doubt இருக்கும், what's working, what's not working. Delhi வந்து பயங்கரமான determined இருப்பாங்க, because they won a fantastic match with Kings 11 Punjab. So அது பார்க்கும்போது mentally, do you think actually Delhi has nothing to lose? அவங்க மேலே pressure இல்லையே, போயிட்டு விளையாடலாம், enjoy பண்ணலாம், but Chennai has a lot of pressure and lot of eyes. அது மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
See, I wouldn't say, it's too early to say they don't have nothing to lose for either of the teams, because every team needs to win to get to the playoffs. So every win matters. So I think like you said, a lot of youngsters are there, so they'll be more fired up. All the more against a team with so much of experience, they would want to come out and perform to their best. So that would be the case with Delhi. And with respect to CSK, I'm sure they will play with a lot of experience, and like you said, very experienced team. They just have to step up to the occasion.
Okay, now மக்கள் வந்து சொல்றாங்க 3 players to watch out for, different answers. ஒரு common answer வந்து MS Dhoni, but besides that different opinions இருந்தது. 3 players to watch out for CSK, 3 players to watch out for the Delhi Capitals. Shikhar Dhawan is in for a big knock. Yes. Shreyas Iyer as a captain, actually young but bangor dynamic. We talk about him and the other players as well. Who you think? Like Ashwin, I don't know, our shoulder injury.
Yeah, he's good to play.
He's good to play? Okay, right. Official news, 200%. It's the magic number. 200% sure that Ashwin is good to play.
I will forget that 200%.
I will never forget that 200%.
I know.
Okay, tell me, watch out for players.
Like you said, Shikhar Dhawan, last game he got run out for no run. So I think he's one of the experienced players in the side. So I think that will speak for himself hopefully in today's game. And he's also opening the innings. So I think Aduvande it will make a good difference if he goes on to play a good knock. And like Ashwin pace, luckily he's back with not a very bad news. So
அது bad news தானே for CSK. ஐயோ அஸ்வின் விளையாடுறாங்க, bad news.
For CSK, yeah, obviously,
Yeah.
but for Delhi, it's
good
they are in a
news,
good
yeah.
place. So and Shreyas, like you said, very young captain. I think he has so much of time to learn, to experiment. As a captain for future as well, he's a very good prospect.
Very good potential.
Yeah. And he's able to pull off the team in a very good place. And I think season opener they had a super over game.
Yeah.
So and they went on to win that. So just shows what kind of capability that the team has. So Chennai பார்க்கும்போது
Do you see any replacements? The fast bowler, I forget his name, the fast bowler for Chennai.
Rabada. Yeah.
Do you see some changes coming in?
Sorry, I'm very sorry. That's
Ngidi.
Ngidi. Yeah,
Ngidi.
sorry. Yeah.
Right.
Rabada is playing for Delhi.
Ngidi சௌக்கியமா சொல்றீங்களா, irritation சொல்றீங்க, புரியல. Look, we expect a lot from the ace foreign fast bowler, but it hasn't worked, and is it time for change?
I mean, Bravo is the best in terms of death bowling especially, and he's
the
also,
batting element, the big
he's
shots.
also contributed with the bat.
As a fielder also brilliant.
Correct, but we're not sure yet as to how far he's good to get back to play.
அது 200% தெரியல.
அது இன்னும் 200% correct தெரியல. So probably they might try Shardul Thakur as a fast bowler. Also, if you talk about Delhi, Stoinis was a star performer in the last game. So
bowling, batting,
both. He was able to adapt to the changes, to the slower balls, to the slower wicket, and he was able to beautifully come out and perform. So that will be key for Delhi. Yeah.
It looks like a very interesting match. Really, very, very important match. Not maybe in terms of the table, ஆனா morally, mentally வந்து ரொம்ப ஒரு முக்கியமான match. Already for team CSK to set that tempo வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியம் இருக்கு. நீங்களே சொன்னீங்க last time that T20 is a momentum game. When you start, rombo mukkiyam irukku that how long can you keep that tempo? One vaati you drop, you don't know how far you will drop. That's the way this sport or this tournament is. You hardly have time. It's all about flick. But before we go on to give your predictions, honest predictions, okay, we'll talk about the other teams as well. What have you seen, the plus and the minus from the other teams? Like KKR, few positives are there. Bangalore le vande few positives. Hyderabad has some.
Bangalore le positives irukku.
Washington Sundar is a positive.
He is a positive, but as a team, I think
he's a complete positive. Nobody is a COVID positive. Okay.
Luckily, yeah. So yeah, a lot of things to work on in terms of RCB. நம்ம அதை பத்தி பேசுறதுனால சொல்ல, because they had a very bad game yesterday, and I think more contribution in terms of batting is very important for RCB. KKR again, they were not up to the mark in terms of their batting. They have really good firepowers, but and overall பார்த்தா there's a lot of sloppy fielding in all the teams. So அது வந்து overall all the players have to work on that.
விராட் கோலி டைரக்டா நீங்க அடிச்சிருக்கீங்க.
இல்ல, generally I'm speaking, even CSK's first game, Mumbai and CSK, they did very sloppy fielding.
Okay, now see, obviously number one, as fans and followers and from the CSK army as such, we say that CSK is going to definitely be in the playoffs and the finals. அது தவிர it's too early, it's too early, but two teams you think are really strong?
Mumbai Indians.
Yeah,
and I think any team. Yesterday Rajasthan played really well. I'm sorry. Punjab played really well, and previous game Rajasthan was a surprise. CSK, we all were so overconfident, but
we all alla illama orthru mattum Shailaja.
I mean the CSK fans, they always want CSK to win. So அப்படி இருக்கும்போது Rajasthan played a really good game, keeping in mind the kind of cricket they've played in the earlier seasons. They've started off really well in this tournament, so I'm looking forward.
Okay, well of course in few minutes from now the match will begin, but before that, Shailaja, toss வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம், சரியா? Most of the teams that won, they choose to bat first.
Bowl first.
Okay, what do you think will happen here?
See, generally they are saying with respect to the pitch reports and all that, they say that the team that wins the toss should bowl first. So the dew factor, because the dew factor will be difficult to bowl and field in the later half of the night. I mean, and so adinala bowling first is better and solranga. Whoever bowls first has a brighter chance of winning solranga. But over last 3 games pathona, irrespective of the ground also, whoever is bowling first, they end up losing.
Yeah.
So
Dhoni will win the toss. Match pati we are hopeful, but toss at least Jay Bhatt is confident.
And toss mattume we should not rely only on the toss. Toss win pandrathu is one part of the game. Adu taandi how we perform, how we go about the game is all that matters.
So do you think if Chennai wins the toss, bat or bowl?
Bowl?
Bowling would be the better option for us. Okay. On that note, final predictions, Shailaja. And the 200 on the enge podi ingeya angeya.
I lost my 12,000 or whatever you said.
12,322.
Correct.
I didn't get it, but I don't know where you lost it because I didn't get it. Okay, tell me, honestly, as a fan விட்டுருங்க சரியா, that we all know where our heart is and we know where the belief is சரியா, அது வந்து secondary, but form, paper, players and mindset point of view na vandu, what do you see the chances out of 100? 60-40, 70-30?
I guess 60-40 for CSK because they will give a good comeback, I believe, because Dhoni knows how to, like I said, he knows how to get the job done. Just that the job is not getting done. So that's the thing. I hope the boys will come back stronger today.
It's like saying, I know how to be a millionaire, but I just haven't become a millionaire.
True.
Yeah, but of course, Dhoni has done this several times in the past. Is a part of his process, so he definitely knows how to handle this. And andu oru hope le Shailaja, thank you very much. Interesting match lined up. Neenga vandu advantage Chennai solkeenga, not outright. Advantage CSK, and I agree with you. I think most of the world will agree with you. It's advantage, but it's match on. Correct. On that note, thank you very, very much, Shailaja, and I hope to see you for the next match. And in the match or the gap, we have 1 week. Yeah, so how we win and the morale vandu romba important. We'll talk about that through this 1 week. We'll be in touch with you for your expert opinions. Thank you very much, Shailaja. On that note, இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு மிக்ஸ்டான டே இருந்தது. Of course, SPB sir, அது வந்து ஒரு very shocking ஆன ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கு, sad ஆன விஷயம் இருக்கு.
Deeply saddening. I would like to extend my heartfelt condolences to his family and friends and the fans around the world. And he's been an amazing musician to say the least. And I think irrespective of whether he's with us, he's going to be with us forever.
I say it very simply, the memories and the melodies will always live.
Yes.
There's no changes in that. Thank you very much. Enjoy the match. Let the prayers be on for the family, for the friends and the fans. As Shailaja says, my name is Rajiv. This is the Ace Expert. 200% I am sure. Alanga.
Not anymore.
Okay, and thank you very much. We'll catch you guys extremely soon, and stay connected with us on Chennai Live. Instagram, Facebook handle is Chennai Live 1048, and catch us on YouTube with all the action, all the drama, and all the wrong expert and the right expertise also. That of course is just Chennai Live. That's one word slammed in together. Thank you very much. My name is Rajiv. This is Shailaja, and the Muthoot Group, principal team partners of the Chennai Super Kings presents. Say the name.
Beyond the Boundary.
200% correct, ma. Thank you.
Finally.